What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about converting East to West outstanding credit card balance into installment. So paano nga ba guys i-convert yung outstanding credit card balance natin sa East West into installment para kahit paano hindi ganun kabigat bayaran buwan-buwan? I-share ko sa inyo guys kung saan kayo tatawag at the same time kung magkano nga ba yung interest rates and then of course yung availment fee or processing fee. Yung application process and of course the eligibility. Kasi hindi lang siya basta ganun, kailangan nyo malaman na hindi lahat ng purchases ninyo sa East West credit card ninyo is pwede siya i-convert into installment. Kaya naman sa vlog na ito ay i-share ko yan sa inyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, East West credit card holders can convert straight retail purchases of at least 5,000 pesos into installment using the Convert Installment or CTI facility via chatbot or the EasyWay application. Options include 6, 12, 18, or 24-month terms with a 1% monthly add-on rate and a 250 pesos processing fee. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Isa-isahin natin. As you can see, East West credit card holders can convert straight retail purchases of at least 5,000 into installment using the Convert to Installment facility via ESTA chatbot or EasyWay. So yung 5,000 ninyo guys pataas na purchases which is straight retail purchases, yun lang yung pwede nyong ipa-convert which is yung minimum amount is 5,000 and above. Then, meron kayong options kung ilang buwan nyo siya gustong bayaran. Pwedeng 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months terms with a 1% monthly add-on rate and a 250 pesos processing fee. So, magkano nga ba yung interest rate, guys, ng converting your outstanding balance sa East West credit card ninyo into installment? 1% po yung monthly add-on rate niya. Regular interest po yan. Ngayon, depende siya kung may ino-offer si East West na mas mababa sa 1% kung qualified yung account ninyo. Papadalhan kayo ngayon ng notification na qualified kayo for like for example 0.49% lang or 0.50%, 0.59. Depende po siya sa account ninyo. Then, meron siyang 250 pesos na processing fee amounting to 250 pesos which is one time lang naman. Then ngayon, let's talk about the key details for East West CTI or credit to installment. So, ito yung mga eligibility guys. So, the eligibility is must be in good credit standing. So, meaning, walang lapses sa payments yung credit card na yun sa East West. Ibig sabihin, good standing siya, hindi kayo naging nalilate, alam mo yun, hindi siya suspended na credit card. Transactions, local foreign retail, online, and mail telephone orders. So, yung mga transactions, guys, is pwedeng local purchases, pwedeng foreign retail or outside the Philippines, then pwedeng online, covered yun, then yung kahit sa mga telephone orders. Yung minimum amount naman niya, guys, is single receipt or accumulated transaction of at least 5,000 pesos. As you can see, at least. So, meaning, 5,000 pesos yung minimum amount na pwede nyong ipa-convert into installment sa credit card ninyo sa East West or East West credit card outstanding balance ninyo. Application channels. So, ito yung application channels, guys, kung saan pwede kayo magpa-convert, no? Example, sa ESTA, East West System Tech Assistant or chatbot via Messenger. So, nais ko lang share sa inyo guys si chatbot kasi minsan naglolo ko siya sa experience ko. So, depende sa inyo kung convenient sa inyo si East West Tech Assistant or si chatbot sa East West which is yung ESTA na sinasabi. Kung kayang-kaya naman, kung na-access ninyo, pwede naman doon. Then, pwede rin sa EasyWay application, available on App Store or Google Play. So, of course, kailangan nyo munang i-download si EasyWay application which can be found sa Apple App Store or sa Google Play. Kung naka-Android kayo sa Google Play, kung naka-iPhone sa App Store. Customer service, call 02-888-1700. So, as you can see dito guys, 02-488 then 1700. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo alam paano sa East West EasyWay, kung hindi nyo alam paano sa ESTA Chatbot, I suggest guys na sa customer service na lang. Tumawag na lang kayo sa East West Customer Service para doon na lang mag-request, para sila na lang yung mag-process. Para at least, kung may mga katanungan kayo, masasagot nila agad for further details. Important terms. Processing fee. A fee of 250 pesos applies for applications via ESTA Online and 500 pesos via customer service. So ito guys, hindi siya na-update. I would like you to know na 500 na ngayon yung kahit sa Esta Chatbot kayo nag-apply. Tapos ngayon, kung sa customer service, 1,000 pesos siya. So, updated na ngayon, yung parang tumaas na yung singilan nila. Hindi na po ito 250, hindi na rin po 500. Yung 500 is yung sa Esta Chatbot, which is a messenger. Then yung 1,000 is sa customer service. Interest. Then ngayon, let's talk about the interest in converting your outstanding balance sa East West credit card. Monthly add-on rates are typically 1% for 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, and 24 months. So, regular interest yan. Ngayon, kung may offer si East West sa inyo, much better kung mas mababa sa 1%. Exclusions. Ito yung mga exclusions, guys, which is hindi nyo siya pwedeng i-convert into installment kung nag-reflect na siya sa outstanding balance ninyo sa East West credit card ninyo or sa statement of account. Exclusion niya is yung mga cash advances, existing installment amortizations, and transactions already converted to revolving balance are not eligible. So yung kadalasan eligible lang, guys, is yung mga new purchases, which is 5,000 above. So ngayon, kung dati na siya, yung sa cash advance ninyo or existing installment, hindi po siya covered or hindi po siya qualified. Pre-termination. Then let's talk about pre-termination, guys. Kung ayaw mo nang magkaroon ng utang, gusto mo nang bayaran lahat, meron pong pre-termination fee si East West na sinasabi, which is babayaran nyo siya ng buo. A 5% fee on the remaining principal or 500 pesos, whichever is higher, applies if terminated early. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin na to, guys, sa pre-termination na sinasabi? A 5% fee on the remaining principal. So ibig sabihin, kung magkano yung natitirang principal amount, hindi kasama yung interest pag na-total i-check nila kung magkano yung principal amount, then magkano yun, dadagdagan siya ng 5%. Ngayon, kung yung 5% nun is hindi umabot ng 500 pesos kasi nakalagay whichever is higher, yung 500 po siya automatic. So, ano ibig sabihin na to, guys? Like for example, yung principal amount is 5,000 pesos. So, magkano yung 5% ng 5,000? Di ba 250? So, ngayon, hindi siya umabot ng 500. So, automatic 500 yung magiging pre-termination fee niya. Ngayon, like for example, 20,000 yan, yung principal amount. So, magkano yung 5% ng 20,000? It is around 1,000 pesos. Kaya naman, yung masusunod, yung magiging pre-termination fee is 1,000 pesos. Ganun yun. Note, for transferring balances from other banks to East West, use the balance transfer facility. So, ngayon, kung balance ng ibang credit card, hindi siya East West, bawa sa BDO, BPI, BPI Metrobank, ganyan, hindi po ito sinasabi na converting your outstanding balance sa East West. Ito ay kailangan nyo gamitin yung balance transfer. Meaning, balance ng ibang credit card yung i-convert ninyo into installment sa East West credit card ninyo. So, make sure lang, guys, knowing na ito ay utang, dapat talaga aware kayo na may interest ito. Yung regular interest rate ng converting your East West credit card outstanding balance into installment is 1%. Ngayon, if gusto nyo pa, hindi pa kayo nagmamadali, try nyo muna mag-antay. Baka kasi mag-offer si East West ng mas mababa sa 1%. So, kahit pa paano mas magaan. Kasi minsan nag-offer ng 0.49% lamang. Before nyo i-convert into installment yung outstanding balance ng East West credit card ninyo. So, yun lamang, guys. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!